Rail. A long, narrow bar made of metal or wood, used as a support or barrier. The train runs on steel rails. She held the rail for balance. They installed a rail around the deck. The garden has a wooden rail fence. He leaned on the rail and watched the sea.